we have a type 1 का question. So how can we do this question? 7 cos x minus 24 sin x equal to r cos x plus alpha. 7 cos x minus, what should I need to do? Everyone know 24 sin x equal to, I have to apply compound angle formula. Cos A, cos is always connected with itself, bacha. Cos A, cos B, yes, everyone know. The sign will change, be careful. Told you in notes clearly, bacha. Minus sin A, sin B. So now what can I do further? I have to shift r inside the brackets, so it will become r cos alpha cos x minus r sin alpha sin x. Now I'm going to compare both of them. How to make comparing? What is the term with cos x on the left hand side? 7. What is the term with cos x to the right hand side? R cos alpha. Put it equal to each other. Similarly, term with sin x is 24 and the term with sin x is r sin alpha. I don't think there is any issue. It is very easy and straightforward. Just put it equal to each other. We know that that is our type 1 ka question. Alright, so those people who learned this concept in notes, they know what I'm doing actually. Then beta, you have to divide r sin alpha with r cos alpha. What is the term for r sin alpha, which is 24? What is the term with r cos alpha? 7. Cancel out. I want to get tan alpha. Sin over cos is tan alpha. So 24 over 7. Now just you have to take the inverse to finding the value of alpha. Make sure your calculator must be in radian form, because this question is actually a radian form. Otherwise you will not get full marks. So the answer will become 1.28. In how many decimal places? We want to get 3 decimal places. So it should be 1.287. Any issue with it over here? I don't think now there is any issue. How to get the value of r? Exact value of r. You are not allowed to use calculator to finding the exact value of r. Exact means you cannot use calculator. So how to figure out the value of r? Taking square to the right hand side terms and add it, and taking square to the left hand side terms and then add it. Always remember, take square to the right hand sides and then add it, take square to the left hand side terms and then add it to finding the value of r. So this is r square sin square alpha plus this is r square cos square alpha equal to 24 square 625. So now I can take r square common. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is actually equal to, everyone knows from P2, it is equal to 1. So ideas will remain same for type 1. I told you everyone in notes clearly. So the value of r will become 25. So that is our final answer. Yes, exactly, but write the answer, write the final answer at the end of this question like this. Please put the value of r. R is 25 and basic angle is 287. Please check this working. Check this working. So whenever you have those type of questions, I already told you how to do that type of questions. Check this work. Alright, so let's move forward to talk about another question. So using the answer of part A, find the minimum of g of x function. How to find the minimum of g of x value, bacha? Everyone knows. If you want to find minimum value of g of x function, then you need to find the minimum or maximum value of f of 2 function. Ideas will remain same. So let's figure out the minimum or maximum value of 3 times f of 2x. What is f of 2x? This is our fx function. How to get f of 2 of x? This is fx function. So f of 2 of x is actually will become 7 cos of 2 of x minus 24 sine 2 of x, means it is actually equal to 24 cos. I have to just replace x with 2x, bacha. So 2x plus 1.287. So simply just you want to find the minimum value or maximum value of f of 2 of x. Always use the answer of previous part. Everyone knows the cause of anything, answer will always between 1 and minus 1. The ideas will never be changed in type 1. We know that we want to find the minimum or maximum value of this function. So cos of anything, if I will put 2x plus 1.287, so obviously it will always between 1 and minus 1. So what I have to do now? So I need to multiply with 25. So what will be the minimum value? Please make sure multiply 25 with everyone. So with every term it becomes 25. The minimum value is minus 25 and the maximum value is 25. Check it, beta. Beta, always do those type of question exactly like this. We want to find minimum value of g of x. So what can I do now? Just substitute the minimum or maximum value of f of 2 of x in this function. F of 2 of x in this function. So g of x equal to 5 over 90 minus 3 times. What is f of 2 of x? What is the minimum value of f of 2 of x? Beta, this is f of 2 of x minus 25. Substitute and similarly substitute the maximum value. 3 times 25. So it will be equal to 90 plus 25, 75. It will give you minimum value 5 over 60, 165. And it will give you 90 minus 75 will be equal to 15. So g of x will be equal to 1 over 3. What is the minimum value? This is the minimum value. If I'm not wrong, this is the, I think I made a mistake. So I made a mistake where I made a mistake. No, I think I did it everything correctly. It's not a minimum value. Cancel out, so you will get 1 over 30. This is a minimum value. 1 over 33 is minimum, is less than 1 over 3 actually, bacha. So that is your minimum value. Please look at the screen. Whenever the question is find the minimum value or maximum value of g of x, first you need to find the minimum or maximum value of f of 2 of x. How to find the minimum or maximum value of f of 2 of x? Simply by using this idea. You will get the value of minimum or maximum value of f of 2 of x. Then substitute the minimum or maximum value of f of 2 of x in this function only. You will get the answers of g of x and select which one is minimum and which one is maximum. So find the smallest value of x for which this minimum value occurs. How to find the smallest value of x for which this minimum value occurs? Yes sir, I know that. Put your original function equal to minimum value. Oh sorry, it's my mistake. I have to talk about g of x. He is talking about g of x. Find the smallest value of x when the g of x has minimum value. And this is your g of x function. You have to put this g of x function equal to the minimum value of g of x. What is the minimum value of g of x? We have already found it from previous part, which is 1 over 33. Simply substitute. So 5 over 90 minus 3 times f of 2 of x. What is our f of 2 of x? This is our f of 2 of x function. Just substitute over here and simplify. So now what will happen, bachcha log? So 90 minus 3 times 25, 75. Just cross multiply 33 times 5, 165. 90 minus 75 cos of 75 cos of 2x plus 1.287 equal to 75. So cos of 2 of x plus 1.287 will be equal to 75 divided by 75, 1. Everyone knows the grade of cos. 1 minus 1, 0 and 0. I want to get value of 1 at which angle? 0 degree and 360 degree. Perfect. So actually the answer of 2x plus 1.287 will be equal to 0 degree. So 2x equal to negative 1.287. So x will be equal to, I made a mistake. I think I made a mistake. Or no? Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. It is not 1. It is going to be equal to minus 1. minus 1 bacha. So at which angle you will get minus 1? 180 degree. 180 degree, which is pi. It's not 0. So that is pi. So pi minus 1.287. So now you can get the value of x easily. Please remember the all ideas which I already told you in notes. But still, if you feel any confusing about that one, so obviously you can ask in class section. Clear how to find the minimum value of x? Write the answer in 3 decimal places. Use the calculator and find the value of x, which is 0.927. Always remember, whenever the question is find the smallest value of x, please put the g of x function equal to minimum value of g of x, which is 1 over 33. Put g of x function equal to minimum value of g of x itself. So when you will put and just simplify, you will always get 1, minus 1 or 0. So there is a minus 1, at which angle you will get minus 1 pi. So that is the answer of 2x plus 1, 1.287. So you will get the value of x straightforward.